I'm going to show you how to draw 1-point perspective shapes. I've already made a horizon line and I just put a small dot. You don't want it too big. I've drawn some various geometric and freeform shapes around, and basically I'm going to take my pencil, put it right on that dot, and I'm going to rotate my ruler. So what I did for this square is I rotated my ruler until I hit that corner and I made a line. Then I hold my pencil there, rotate it to the next corner, made that line, rotate it to the next corner, which it would go through the shape. So if I want it to look like it's made out of glass or that it was hollow or see-through, then I would go ahead and draw that line. I'm not going to for this example. And then I go to this corner and make that line. So then you can see it looks like it's going into space. I'm going to go ahead and do this triangle. So as soon as it hits that corner, erase what I don't need. Now for this one, let's see, will I be able to do that one? I think so. There we go. So now I've got my triangle going into space. Now I'm going to show you how to do the circle. Let me do this one really quick. So there's an inverted corner there that I'm going to do. It doesn't work for that one. I'm going to come over to this point. So I've done all the points that are closest to this one. I didn't do this one because it was going to go through my shape, but I will need to line up this corner. I'm going to stop so it looks like it goes behind, and then you can't see it for the curves. So that's my shape. For anything that's curved or rounded, so it actually looks like about the same line as this point. It is. So I stop. As soon as it hits the outside edge of that curve, that's my line there. So it looks like it should appear once I shade it to go behind. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly do these other ones. Line up the corners. For this one, this corner lines up almost the same as that corner. And that one goes through. This curved one, as soon as I hit the tangents, those are my lines. See this one, I come here and it's going to look like it goes behind. So I have to come down to the shape. There. Then I'm going to do my trapezoid. Cactus. Here's tricky. I'm going to go with this curve right here. I'm lining this up so I have to come to the shape. There's my cactus. And that's how you draw 1-point perspective shapes. Then from here, I just shade it in. Now if you want it to be lightest toward the circle, then you would start out really dark, like I showed you with the other videos. It gets lighter and lighter. You know, I like to smear and smudge. So I'm going to work on that for the next video.